In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate the Wrike document editor into your workflow. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Now, let's dive right into it. First things first, we want to start on a clean slate. If you find yourself deep within a task or project, just look to the left sidebar of the Wrike interface and click the Home icon. This action will take you back to your main dashboard, where we can begin the process without any distractions. Next, we need to access the apps and integrations available in Wrike. You'll find this option by clicking on the Space Overview link, which is also located on the left sidebar. Once you're there, look at the top of the screen, identify the small arrow next to your space name, and give it a click. A drop-down menu will appear, and from it select Apps and Integrations. Now we're moving on to an exciting part, searching for and downloading the document editor. In the integration gallery that pops up, go ahead and type Document Editor into the search bar. As soon as it appears in the list below, click on it. You'll then see the option to download the application. Make sure you select the correct setup file that matches your operating system, whether you're on a Mac or a Windows device. Go ahead and hit the download button. Once that's taken care of, it's time to install the application. Open your computer's file manager. If you're on a Mac, that's Finder, and if you're using Windows, that's File Explorer. Navigate to your Downloads folder, where you'll find the installer file for the document editor that you just downloaded. Open that file, and you might encounter some security prompts asking for your approval. Go ahead and approve those. After that, you'll be presented with an installation wizard. Choose to install with the default options, and when you reach the Terms screen, just click on Accept to move forward with the installation. After the installation is complete, allow the progress bar to finish running. This may take just a moment. Once that's done, we need to get back to Wrike. Refresh your browser to ensure that any previous settings or changes are updated. Now here comes the fun part. You'll be able to click on compatible file types like .ox, .xlsx, or .pptx. With just a click, you can edit these files instantly, right in place, which is incredibly convenient. No need to switch between different applications. You can keep everything streamlined and efficient. And that's it. You've successfully integrated the Wrike document editor into your workspace. Now you can collaborate and edit documents with ease alongside your tasks and projects. If you have any questions about this process, or if you want more tutorials like this, feel free to drop a comment below. And once again, if you found this video useful, don't forget to subscribe and give us a thumbs up. Thanks for watching.